About this item: studless TV wall mount compatibility. Drywall TVs bar fit Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, TCL, Element, Scepter, Hisense and other TV brands between 13 and 55-inch screen sizes and up to £99 with VESA size 100x100 mm to 400*400 mm. The VESA mounting patterns are the distances, in mm, between the 4 screw holes on the back of the TV, accommodating the majority of TV models on the market. Drywall thickness must be greater than 0.3. No experience needed. 3 minutes fast and easy installation. Comes with all the required mounting hardware needed. A detailed English graphical installation guide that is actually useful. OOS no stud, no drilling. TV hollow wall mounts can be taken off for simple installation by one person, which helps you to install this full motion TV wall mount without any hassle. Universal monitor wall mount OOS cleat no damage drywall mount, ideal for large computer monitors, especially sizes 13, 17, 19, 21, 24, 27, 32, 34, 35-inch ultra-wide monitors.